Introducing the GAIA series threaded isolation feet from Isoacoustics. Available in 3 different sizes, the GAIA series has the capabilities to support a wide range of equipment. Finished in an elegant machine dark chrome metal housing, the GAIA series is crafted with the vision of performing extraordinary acoustic performance. The GAIA series achieves a high degree of isolation whilst resisting lateral movement and oscillation, with the top of the GAIA housing connected with the speaker and the bottom connected to the supporting surface. All of the energy is then managed by the internal isolator. Optimal results are achieved by installing the isolation feet with the logo facing the listening position. This aligns the isolators with the speaker's motive force. Each model of the GAIA isolators come with adapters for the 3 most common thread sizes, which fit the majority of speakers. The threaded adapters have 2 sides. Side 1 is installed into the base of the speaker. Side 2 is installed into the GAIA housing. If the required thread size for your speaker is not included, please then contact FutureShop and we can supply alternative thread sizes for you. Transform your listening experience today. Now available at FutureShop.